guys, it's Fluffy and Kids, and if you remember where you watched my video on how to make slime, if you haven't, then go and check that out once you finish this video, or right now, because this is gonna be a spoiler. Okay, so that shows us how to make slime, and this one is plain. Look how squeezy. The slime is so, but look, it's like, no, okay, like breaks straight away. Wowee! I'm gonna make a hole in it. Other hole right there. What? Where? Oh, it cut off the bowl. Look. Okay. So what? I don't have lipstick on. But I have lipstick on video. Only in a makeup video. Whoa! Watch this now. Like that. It's squeezing out. Now what? It's gonna be off camera, okay? I didn't even see that. Okay. Squeeze it. Squeeze it. I'm gonna try and stretch it as far as I can. Stretch the slime. Slime. Stretchy. Oh! Look from there. Oh! I just went on the table. Oh. I hope it didn't go on any washing. My mom's gonna shout at me otherwise. Oh, look, it's a bandage. What am I looking for? Okay, this is the slime. Oh, it just like snap, literally. Oh. Well, let's get all of that down. Okay. Whoa. It's gonna be off camera. I didn't even see that, but put it on the side. Oh, see? If you like put it on, look, if you put it on the side, look, it's like, if you roll it into a bowl, well, you can roll it into a sausage, so you can make it like a brown color. So, why did I just say no? Okay, so I made it, this tiny little bit. Okay, so I made it into a ball, and look, ready? Whee! Whoa. Wait. So I do have an oval t-shirt on, if you're wondering. Because this is like a craft t-shirt, old t-shirt, so like craft t-shirts to me. Oh, to my mom, not to me. So like, this could be abandoned. Look at it. It's perfect. This is like so slimy. Okay, so that was how you play with